What the hell is junk silver, people? Is this junk? Huh? Yeah, of course it's junk. Useless coins, you know, who cares about 60 or 80% silver? You aren't a true stacker if you don't stack 0.9999999999999 silver. Hey, but it is silver, right? Well, let's find out. Hello, precious people. Today I'm going to talk about a lot of junk. See what I did there? Well, we will also talk about silver. Unfortunately, not about gold. Well, for some strange reason, nobody say junk gold, despite a lot of coins not being pure. I guess gold is never junk, and honestly, with the current gold price, I do agree. Well, here on the table in front of me, I have a lot of junk. Well, some of it at least. You see, I used to collect coins since I was 10 years old, but I stopped when I was a teenager. And now 15 years later, I came back home to visit my parents and I took a look through my old coin collection. And, you know, guess what? I found some silver. Well, some of these coins has 40% silver. Other ones has 50% silver. Some of them have 60% silver. Some has 80, and some of them, and I know you guys what you're thinking, some of them also have 90% silver here. And this made me start to think about junk silver. Now, so what is actually junk silver? Okay, well, let's take a step back. What makes silver silver? Well, apart from its content, not much. Well, you know, for me as a stacker, a real silver coin feels like silver. It has a sound to it and, you know, a feel to it. And it sounds different. So I'm asking myself the question between what is silver and what is junk? And what is junk silver? Well, it all comes down to what feels like silver. So let me begin with some maple coins. Now, we all know these Canadian maples. We are very well familiar with them. And okay, folks, so this is real silver. I mean, it sounds like it, looks like it, it feels heavy, yet, you know, light like silver. It sounds like God's happy tears raining down on a metal roof. You know, lovely. Now, these ones are pure 0.9999 silver. And this is the purest you can get when it comes to silver. But let's go down a little bit and let's go down to 90% silver. So here we have American quarter and American dime. So these are 90% silver. And the first thing that hits me if you're looking at the quarter here, I'm going to compare it with, you know, another quarter that is made newly that doesn't contain with silver. You guys can probably spot the difference already. And the right one here has, you know, a lot more tarnish to it. Of course, it's older as well, but, you know, you can kind of see with the tarnish that this is, you know, silver. Well, like a wise old man said, silver is silver and silver tarnish. Well, in my hands, this feels like silver. it also sounds like silver. So I'm approving this to be young silver. And well, I didn't say junk, I just said silver. It's 90% silver and 10% junk. We're gonna go one step down and to 83.5% silver. And here we have two coins with the same content. One of them is from Switzerland. That's the right one, that's the 1 franc. And this one, the 20 arc, the Drachmer, is from Greece. So you can directly see that this is silver. This is some high quality tarnish on here. Look at this. It's so beautiful. I'm seriously in love. Well, you know, the feel of these coins comes as no surprise, you know, like playing with them, feeling them, you know, this is still silver to me. Everything about them feels silver, you know, the look, the feel. Oh, I really want more of these Swiss ones one day, because these ones are really, really nice. Look at this. This is a Helvetica. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna get more of these. So, you know, approved for me as junk silver still, but you know, this feels like silver to me. The feel of it, this feels like silver. Let's move on to 20% junk. Sorry, I meant 80% silver. I'm just teasing the Swedish central bank that made these coins. No, honestly, adding some junk to silver can make some coins more durable. I also understand why didn't they want people to walk around with silver maples, you know, 100 years ago in their pockets. And well, this is 80% silver. But wow, this is really, really fine. I mean, you know, more than fine actually. These are beautiful. And folks, this sounds, you know, like silver. This really feels like silver to me. You know, it smells like real money. These are really, really cool. I'm actually having a giveaway. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you know, we are doing a giveaway for one of these coins, but this is really, really nice. This feels like silver to me. And it really sounds like silver. Next up, folks, is 64% silver. Yeah, I know it's a rare number, you know, 0.640. And these beauties here are from Austria. These coins are 10 shillings. We have a few 5 shillings here as well. So playing a little bit with these coins here, you know, sound to it. Yeah, I mean, this is definitely silver. You know, it feels slightly lighter version of silver, still has, you know, the sound and the feel to it. Apparently 36% junk is not ruining the feel of silver completely. I mean, that is actually pretty cool. I am surprised. You know, if you love Austrian coins, by the way, I would really recommend you to watch, you know, the channel called Austrian Stacker. He's a friend of mine and his channel is really, really good. And he is collecting these beauties as well. So really recommend you guys to, you know, tune into his channel and watch as well. But hey, this is still silver to me. 64% silver, still feels like silver. So the coin here comes from Germany. It's a 5 mark coin. And it has 62.5% silver. So honestly, you know, I can't feel much the difference, you know, between this and the 64%. It feels very similar, still very nice coin. That tarnish also tells you that, you know, there is some silver in there eating up all the junk from the outside. This is a pretty spectacular coin, I would say. Hey, so let's go down here, stopping up a little bit. Talking about silver, we're talking about what makes silver silver, specifically the feel to it. If you've been a stacker for a while, you felt a lot of different silver and you know how it feels, right? So let's take one step down, more into the level of this junk video. I'm so junked right now. Sorry. I feel we go down more and more. I still feel silver. Is it the precious metal stronger than other metals, and this is why we still feel the silver? I don't think so, but let's find out. The next one is from the motherland, Russia. And this coin here, it does not have a bear to it. It doesn't have a bear on it. Still from Russia. But what does it feel like and what does it taste like? Well, let's find out. So, honestly, what? I'm not sold on this one, it does not quite feel like silver. And forgot to tell, this one here is half silver, so it's 50% silver. The tarnish looks a little bit more like dirt to me. It has something to it. I can't say, yeah, it's definitely not junk, but you can feel it's kind of half junk. This is getting pretty close to the edge for me, Is this silver or junk? I can't really tell. Heck, maybe this is, maybe it needs to contain at least half silver to not be junk. Could this be the magic number, maybe? I don't know. I wish so much right now that we had 49% silver coin, because that would give us all the answers here, right? Now we are left with these ones. So, step down from here. Swedish crowns. And what? What the hell is this? I wonder how the Swedish Central Bank was thinking. Hey, let's make a coin that is 40% money. In this case, why even add silver at all? Is it bad? I mean, no, not really. It still has something to it. But, sorry, this is not silver to me. And I was born in Sweden. I shouldn't say this, but, I should defend the silver for my country. But, I'd rather not. No tarnish, baby. The sound to it is, it's so-so. The feel to it, this to me, it feels like a normal coin. This people is junk. The Russian coin as well, it was on the border of junk, but the rest is junk silver to me. Junk plus silver is true. The maples are only silver. There's no junk. But I don't mind junk, more junk to the people, especially junk like this. Especially junk like this. It's beautiful, it's durable, it has some good history to it. God, I'm excited right now. So, central banks around the world, this is a letter for you. If you want to give us junk, at least add some silver to it. 62.5% to be exact. Because even if you send us junk, we will worship you, because it still feels like silver. Young silver to the people, I love this. I really, really do. Well, people, I hope you got your questions answered. What is junk silver? And if you do, please subscribe. You all made it all the way here to the end. I'm a new YouTuber, but I have so much passion into this. You know, I really want to be one of the biggest stackers out there. So if you like this, you know, please subscribe early, and one of these, you know, coins could be yours. You could also be one of these cool first follower of the wall. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Take care out there. Peace.